Hi, first graders. It's Mrs. Tinsley. This week we're working on counting to 120. You can see our objective here on your screen. We are going to start down here by identifying numbers. We're going to work on illustrating, drawing those numbers. We're going to apply those numbers to a sequence, and then we're going to work on composing those numbers. So what I want you to do is have a piece of paper and pencil so you guys can practice with these numbers today. And the first thing we're going to do is I want you to pause this video and I want you to practice using this hundreds chart and counting with your finger following the numbers 1 to 120. When you're done counting to 120, unpause the video. All right, now that you've practiced counting to 120, I want you to take a turn to practice counting by tens. And if you don't know how to do counting by tens, we are going to use this column over here to count by tens. So take a look at it. Look at those numbers. If you don't know those numbers, you're going to start by looking at them and saying 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Now you try it on your own. Pause the video, count by tens for me. Now that you've started this video back up, let's practice writing some numbers. So on your screen, you'll see a blank screen right now, but you should have a piece of paper. You're going to use your paper and your pencil to write these numbers that Mrs. Tinsley is going to tell you, okay? So my first number I want you to do is the number 7. See if you can write the number 7. You can pause the video while you write it. Now take a look and let's see, did you write this number on your screen? Whoops. Let's try it again. Did you write this number on your paper, I mean? If you did, thumbs up. If you did not, write it right now, number 7. Now let's pause the video, write the number 17. So to make a number 17, what do we need to do to this number 7? We add a 1 in front of it. So now we have 17. Great job. All right, boys and girls, I hope that you will practice your numbers and skip counting by tens, counting to 120, and identifying these numbers on your hundreds chart. We will see you hopefully this week at our math lesson at 9 o'clock. See you later.